Since the artificial intelligence era has begun, one of the job role which were always under threat and still are is the call center job. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to this new tool called as Qlary.ai. Qlary is simply another AI generative assistant which has taken this call center experience to a whole new level. So if you are working in the call center, then I think you need to look at this. Qlary, in very simple words, is the simplest and fastest way to leverage AI for customer support hotlines. It can be used standalone or with existing support teams as it addresses resource and technical challenges for business of any scale. So if you have a huge business and you have hundreds of call center people, then Qlary can simply replace them. It's as simple as that. Sorry to put it that way, but I have to be blunt here. With Qlary, you can have dedicated phone number. You can have 24/7 receptionist AI. It adapts to your business context. It provides you real-time transcription. It auto-categorizes the incoming and outbound calls for you. It generates call summary without any hitch, and it also sends you mobile app alerts. And so you don't have to have any more rigid and complicated setups. Qlary AI understands and adapts intelligently to your business context. So whether it's one-liner description or a detailed summary of your products and services, Qlary ensures customer calls are handled in high relevance always, and it provides a tailored support too. So you need to log in there with your free email in order to use it. So I just have logged in. It is, by the way, available on desktop, plus also there is an app available at App Store and also in the Android Play Store. So you can see that you can launch your AI call center in minutes. It has all the integrated features which I have just described, and then you can continue from here. So let's click here and you can just select anything. Let me put some of the information. I'm based in Australia, so I'm not sure if it has Australia. Okay, so it just have US and Canada at the moment. And for business name, I'm just going to go with personal. YouTube channel. And then I'll just put my name in. Next, configure agent. Okay, so I'll just say receptionist. What are the other roles? So receptionist at the moment. I'll just call it Fahad, and I'll just say with masculine voices, I'll just go with this.
This is a voice demo. How can I help you?
That's it. What is the second one?
This is a voice demo. How can I help you?
Nice. I think this one is
This is a
better.
voice demo. How can I help you?
This is a voice demo. How can I help you?
This is a voice demo. How can I help you?
Okay, so I'm just going to go with phone number assignment. Maybe I'll just give it my phone number, or just give it. Maybe I'll just say it 061. So I'm just going to go with any one of these. I just click on the search button and then finish setup. So there you go. So the starter pack is simply $49 per month, and what it includes is 500 calls per minutes per month, 100 calls processed per month, 2 simultaneous active calls, and then you can go from there. And one AI persona, as I just showed you, call transcription, pretty good, I would say, for a very small business. And if you say get started, I'm sure it is going to ask me for some money information, which I'm not going to pay it at the moment. So I'll go back and then just click here. Once you have paid it, and it is going to open up something. Of course it won't work because I haven't paid it. Let me see what other plans are. So if I click here, standard is $100 per month. Again, I have one AI persona, which is good, but 1000 calls per month, which is quite good. And then enterprise is 3000 plus call. So I think it will vary from organization to organization, and there are also multiple and stackable AI personas. Good stuff. So this is it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you are working in call center, let me know what your thoughts. Do you think that AI is going to replace your job, or would it be an enabler? What do you think about it? And if you have any other thoughts or comment, please share them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, as it always helps. Thank you very much.